Ilang beses ko pa naman sasabihin sa'yo, sa piling mo'y tanggalan ng ba, may kasiyahan walang kapantay. Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Ilang beses ko pa naman sasabihin sa'yo, sakit ng ulo'y tanggal bigla, sa piling mo'y lungkot na wawala. Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Aanhin ko ang ganda ng iba, one from the sky. I know Mars could not be too far behind. Cause baby, this kind of beauty, it's got no reason to ever be shy. Cause honey, this kind of beauty, the kind of
To announce the winner of Best in Summer Work, may we call on SB Ferdinand Tapkalsur and Miss Jeneline Lugo Wong to pin the sash. Congratulations, candidate number 8 for winning the Best in Summer Work competition. Next to award is Best in Casual Wear. Next to award is Best in Talent. To award the Best in Talent, may we call on stage Sir Ermel Azuela and punong barangay Natugidad ang mabong tupis the sash of Miss Best in Talent. And the Best in Talent goes to candidate number 5. Remain on stage, candidate. The portion. Each candidate will pick their questions. Pakiusap lang po namin, habang sumasagot po lahat ng candidates, please lang po, tumahimik po tayo. Kung sila po ay wala pong may sabi or may sagot, please remain silent for respect. Thank you. Okay, may we call now candidate number 1.
Okay, so we have here candidate number 1. So, anong pakiramdam mo yung candidate number 1? Kabado po. Kabado. Okay, so, normal na nakabahan.
Eh, Michelle.
Okay, so, you pick one and you will read your
Putatin sa kita,
question.
dede lang. Putatin sa kuya, arupa ka. Sino mabalin niya, lima pa iso. Mabalin eh, gaman.
If you could have one wish, what would it be? Kung ikaw ay magkaroon ng isang wish, ano ito? Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na naisali dito sa patimpalak na ito. Ang isang hiling lang po na iyon ay magkaisip ang mga tao o ang mga Pilipino upang umunlad naman po ang ating bansa para matugunan po natin ang mga pangyayari na hindi kinagaganda ng ating kalikasan o o sa mga ating kabarangayan. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 1.
Very well said, candidate number 1. Let's proceed to candidate number 2. Okay, keep your question, candidate number 2.
Okay.
Ha?
Candidate number 2, how was your feeling?
Ano ta? Unang.
Nakakabahan po.
Yung kinakabahan. Okay? Your question is,
You have 30 minutes a day to do anything you want. What would you do and why?